Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a car review. This is a look at how Volkswagen has taken a beloved classic and brought it into the future with modern styling, upgraded performance, and a completely new driving experience. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast or someone who loves modern automotive design, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the design. The 2026 Karmann Ghia pays tribute to the iconic silhouette of the original model from the 50s and 60s, but with a fresh, futuristic twist. The low-slung body, smooth curves, and wide stance immediately stand out. The front end is elegant and clean, with sleek LED headlights that give it a minimalist yet aggressive look. The designers have preserved the soul of the original coupe while giving it a sharper, sportier vibe. Flush door handles, subtle chrome touches, and a glass roof panel round out the exterior details, making it unmistakably retro-modern. The rear features slim, wraparound LED taillights and a subtle ducktail spoiler that adds a performance-oriented edge. Step inside and you're greeted with a beautifully crafted interior that mixes retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Volkswagen has gone for a minimalist layout, with a digital cockpit and a central touchscreen that's seamlessly integrated into the dash. The upholstery is a blend of eco-friendly leather and recycled materials, but it feels premium and very comfortable. The two-tone color schemes available give it a nostalgic feel, while ambient lighting keeps the atmosphere modern. There's enough legroom for both the driver and passenger, and even though it's a two-door coupe, getting in and out feels relatively easy thanks to smart door design and powered seat movement. The infotainment system is powered by Volkswagen's latest OS, supporting over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intelligent voice assistant. There's also a premium Harman Kardon sound system, which fills the cabin with crisp audio, perfect for long drives or just enjoying the road. You also get modern amenities like dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a panoramic roof that opens up to the sky. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia surprises a lot of people. It's not just about style. This coupe has substance. Under the hood, you can choose between two options: a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 delivering 240 horsepower, or a fully electric version producing up to 300 horsepower with instant torque. The electric variant comes with a range of around 280 miles on a full charge and supports a 150 kWh DC fast charging, so you can get from 10% to 80% in just about 25 minutes. Both versions come with rear-wheel drive and optional adaptive suspension, giving you a smooth yet responsive ride. The steering is sharp, the chassis is well-balanced, and it hugs the corners like a proper sports coupe should. The combustion model does 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds, while the electric one shaves that down to 4.7 seconds. Definitely quick for a car in this segment. There's also a sport mode that stiffens the suspension, sharpens throttle response, and adds a bit of artificial engine noise for a more engaging drive. In terms of safety, the Karmann Ghia comes packed with Volkswagen's IQ Drive system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and rear cross-traffic alert also come standard, making it a tech-savvy and secure option for everyday use. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Karmann Ghia starts at around $39,000 for the base turbocharged model. The electric version will set you back closer to $48,000, with fully loaded trims going just past $55,000. While that might seem steep for a compact coupe, you're paying for a unique combination of retro style, modern tech, and solid performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. So, would you consider the new Karmann Ghia for your next ride? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.